guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Kayzie, and today I'll be showing you how I did this makeup look. This look is super easy to create and it looks natural and feminine, and the products that I use in this look are all affordable, so if you want to know how I did this, just keep on watching. So to start this makeup look, I'll be spot concealing since I have some redness at some part of my face. But instead of using a concealer, I used a foundation, and for that I used the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 228. And as you can see, I'm blending it all out using my fingers instead of using a beauty sponge. And in this makeup look, I won't be applying foundation all over my face since our main goal here is to look natural as possible. And to set my face, I'll be using Maybelline's Clear Smooth All-in-One Light Oil Control Pressed Powder in the shade 04 Honey. Next, I'll be contouring my face. This step is not really necessary, so it's up to you if you want to do it as well. And for that, I use Belena's Blush Duo in the shade Baked Fig. And here I'm just contouring my nose to make it look a little bit thinner. And next, since I want to add some flush of color to my cheeks, I use the blush that comes in the same palette. I really love this blush. It's your typical mauve blush, but I really like how it goes so well with my skin tone. And to open up my eyes, I decided to use a mascara, and for that I used the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof Mascara. And for my lower lashes, I decided to use the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. And next, I'll be applying some highlight on the highest points of my face, and for that I use the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. This step is not really necessary, but since I want to be extra for this video, I did it. lastly, for my lips, I decided to use a lip tint from KJM Cosmetics in the shade Bittersweet Magenta. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and to be honest, I really love how this look turned out. And don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to keep up with me, and I will see you all in the next one. Love you. Mwah.